Hello people, I wanted to show you how to fix black background issue because I couldn't render my animation. I will show you what's the issue and how to fix it. And because I'm exporting to WebM format, but I know how to fix it. But I don't know how many of you knows how to fix that issue. Because I had the issue with black background, I know how to fix it. You have to be in schematic viewport, then you add FX, background color card. You double click on color card, you click on background, you choose color, and you hit apply. But you have to double click by left mouse. Output settings, camera, we got options. I will choose 16-bit, dedicated CPUs, render tile large. But you will have to, if you want to see this format and this, you have to go to File, Preferences, Import, Export, and you have to tell program where to select. FMPG bin location, because in catalog bin this execution file is exe file is located in that bin catalog, so OpenToonz will use external program. Output settings, you can choose your custom path. Frame rate, I have chosen the lowest, and I will render now. I like this application because it is free and open source. It became free 6 years ago and open source. You can download the latest build in github.com. Oh no, what I have done wrong. Yes, but I already added color card. Sorry people, I forgotten about something. You can also move color card. This is my fault. I forgotten. Color card can be edited as well. I didn't realize that. I have to overwrite my animation. You can also have 3D viewport and you can zoom in, zoom out camera in 3D viewport. I use a raster level. That animation. Okay, this is what I have rendered. I use the raster level and my paint brushes. Okay, I have to stop because I will be going in a minute. I have to help someone at work. I hope you like my video. Sorry that I didn't tell you straight away. You have to add the color card like in Toon Boom Harmony. You do the same in Toon Boom Harmony when you render animation.